Hello developers, today I'm going to share with you that a crypto hub website which gonna having a proper overview of the cryptocurrency. And the best thing is that the website is going to be a fully dynamic, because whenever you're going to see some of the data from the crypto, it's going to be a live feed from the crypto, all the news, and also in the portfolio data ratio, because there will be an authentication parameter. We're going to make the sign in and sign up method. You're going to having the Firestore database to go all the mechanisms. And this is not just a simple crypto website. It's gonna be dynamic, so you can earn from it. You can get your customer on it. You can show and manage a lot of scenario, a lot of things. So I'm going to showcase how you can go and capture this, and of course I'm going to provide the repo for you to where you can start with. And beside that, there will be another like the assets from where you can also do the production build. So I'm going to go and give you a proper and quick overview about the project. And first and foremost, this entire website is fully responsive. As you can see, when you go in the smaller screen, as you can see, we can get the things in a very decent way. As you can see right now, it's working perfectly and smoothly dialect with the setup for the responsiveness. And there is the toggler for the theme toggler. Be careful about your eyes, because we can change the theme right now. I'll go in the light 1, 2, and 3. Let's go light. So now you can see we have the light mode and everything sit perfectly in places, working perfectly aligned. We can also again go back to the dark mode. I'll use the dark mode because I'm okay with that. But the link, it will be in the description, that crypto-platform.reactivity.com, and you can directly see and visualize everything. You can go in the sign in to access the data. First of all, let's see in the home page, we have the header where you can go with the cryptocurrencies, exchange, DeFi, NFT, learn, and also having the products. We have the toggler, we have sign in and sign up button. In the left, we have the similar of that, like the sidebar over here, from where we can connect our crypto wallet. And as you can see this data, you can see the Bitcoin. This is a real-time feed is coming, and this feed is coming up from the CoinGecko. We're using the CoinGecko API. We're also using that dashboard from the one, and also we have the Binance API, which we are using that one to feed the data. We're also using the news API to feed the news, and also the API, that DeFi API, for the documentation and other purposes. So everything working very much legit, and it's working perfectly. Now, if you're getting more creative, you can do one more thing. You can purchase and sell the crypto in a different way. You can make that alternate situation right here, because the design, the API fragmentation, everything is right here. All the formation is just set in basis, so you can now do your creativity if you have this entire code at your arsenal. So this is our home page, where as you can see in the left, we have the the connect wallet, notification, price alerts, products, and as you can see the portfolio, we're gonna go on there because it's already handling that. Without login, we should not be able to see in the profile portfolio to go buy. Then we have our trending, hot, and also the trending overview, which is incoming trending. We have the latest crypto news. As you can see, all are coming fading from the news API from here. And then at the bottom, we are having the portfolio overview. Also, we are having the quick actions, and then the cryptocurrency prices by market cap, which we are showcasing here. Then also you can create your own a widget. So it's the same way you can make the widget here. So which I'm just keeping at coming soon. We have this to update it, like a form for go in that for the subscription. Then we have a very sleek and responsive for the header rate for the photo ratio, which you can use very much in a good way. So this is kind of very cool and sleek design. So let's explore the cryptocurrencies. So here is the cryptocurrencies. You can search by the cryptocurrency. You can see the coin is right here, and you can go for the coin Bitcoin, as you can just get the market cap. You can see everything coming here. So this is the beauty of the application. It's all are coming in the real time, and this is something making your website standing, because you can now do a lot of creativity and you can engage your customer alongside with that. So you can go with an overview about Bitcoin, investment risk warning, and others. You can go pass by on that. You can add to in that wish list. You can also remove from wish list. You can add it in a different format. You can also share from there. Let's go back there. Now after that, also as you can see Ethereum, you can also get, you can go and you can see the view details. So in the view details, it's gonna do the similar setup which we did as well as with the Bitcoin. So also we can go in directly in the exchange and we can find all the cryptocurrency exchanges data about the Binance and the Coinbase exchange. I'm really sorry if my pronunciation is getting a little bit shaky, but you know, I'm very excited with that website actually. We have Kraken, Bybit, OKK, and KuCoin. So this all are as a famous, like it's just getting the most of the available exchange platform where you can exchange the crypto. We have the DeFi, and there is all about the DeFi icons. We have that NFT, which is now selling in very high profile. You can go with the trending, you can go with the collections, and you can learn the crypto. You can just pass your course, and there is something. It's all responsive in a very good way. You can get with the basic, you can toggle everything, whatever the way you are looking forward to get all the categories, the article, the glossary, everything gonna just give you a proper boost how you can do. Then we have the portfolio, and as you can see, whenever I click on the portfolio, because this portfolio is not a single portfolio because it's a middleware setup is right there. So now if we just go and you can see we're using the Firebase, if we logged in within my proper credential in my account setup, I can now see my portfolio. If I click on the portfolio, this is my portfolio. We're having my market cap, also the total invested there, and pretty much everything is just sharing right here. We can go with the settings, we can export the data, and we can see our profile overview here. We can see portfolio, we can just add trade, and you can create more of the pages to just go and make things happen in real time. Then also we can go in the watch list, whatever we are keeping in the watch. We can go alongside with the news to read all about the articles regarding that, whatever is now passing, and you can see the new index sphere and grid index, and is also connecting right here. And then we can go with the analytics. So as you can see, those feed is legit. The analytics, it's gonna analyze with the real data. So this is how it's gonna be some of the remarkable overview whenever you are building the crypto. You can go with the 24 hours, you can go with the 7 days, 30 days, or a 90 days cap. So you can go and toggle with that. We can go in the settings. As you can see, this is my profile here. I can go with the appearance. If I change from here again, I'm gonna change that. We can just change like that. We can go dark, we can go system, and also you can change the language. Right now, I'm just using the English, so I'm not capping that. And also you can pass that euro and other category. If you are looking forward to, you can toggle through the notification. Either you want to send email, push notification, price alerts. You can also keep the the privacy. You can also go in the advanced. You can delete the account if you're looking forward and others. So basically it's having entire setup like how a crypto market is working. It's try to manipulating the entire settings there. Now there is an option, you can inject the data, you can inject the API, and it will work perfectly. So all the setup is done for you. You can now build your own crypto empire. Then for the Connect wallet, you can go with the family accounts, MetaMask, and also Coinbase wallet or WalletConnect. If you click on, like I click on the MetaMask, and automatically it's gonna pouring through my Connect wallet. It's gonna looking for the credential and others. As you can see, I can just directly authenticate with a family. It will popping up, and after authentication it's gonna connect your wallet, and then we're gonna having that notification about all the notification or read it, unread it. I can make every notification as read, and alert will popping up. We have the urgent and others. So this is how we can highlight. We have the price alerts, so when the price cap is getting higher, and also we have the products where we have all the product data which we are actually engaging, and then we have also the market cap, 24-hour volume, BTC DOM, and other parameter. Now, one of the most legit things that this is the home page. As you see, there is one kind of header is there, and when you go to try to visit the actions, you can see we have the different kind of header, right? So this is how we manipulate the design structure. Also, we can go and log out, and automatically you can see our profile structure, it's gonna disappear. So this is kind of build which can really make your the developer experience in a greater level. And what I'm gonna do, because to embracing each and everything, to collecting all the data is pretty hard. So I created two versions of it. One is the free one, which I'm going to provide the repo to you. There is almost everything, just keep a rest. And there is another is premium. You can purchase the code and you can have everything, whatever is there. And the plus is that there will be like a month or 2 month like extended subscription. So if there you want to looking forward some changes, maybe we can help you out with that. So first of all, this is the work of that. So this is the code. It will be like entirely for you. You can get entire code right here. And if you're looking forward, as you can see, this is just a buy me a coffee /reactbd.com, where you can find my entire creativity, entire collection of project is right there. You can just visit my shop and you can find everything. If you remember, you can get the discount from each and every projects. You can see all the new or available product is just right here. You can find it here. We can also find the post, related post is right by here. So you can read about it, you can find the ideas, and you can go through the data. You can go to the membership or gallery, or if you don't want to buy the product, it's okay. If you're looking forward to, you can buy me a coffee if you're looking forward to. Then there is one which is for you. This is the crypto platform YT. I made it public. All the setup is explained here, how you can get the features done, how you can do the things, how you can tweak the things. So everything is right here. And from where you can grab it, you can see API keys and credential setup. You can go there, you can create the project, you can enable authentication, go to project setting, general your apps, and copy configuration values to your env.local. So everything is just a break part by part, so you can have entirely everything. So first of all, we're gonna test something, that is it working or not. So as you can see, crypto platform YT. So I'm gonna open my like the GitHub desktop. I'm gonna clone the repository, which gonna be a crypto platform YT, and I'm gonna just clone it right here in my machine, and then I'm gonna open it in my Visual Studio Code. So you're gonna see what kind of things I'm just happen to be bring it right here. So over here I'm gonna having a SRC, where having all the entire code structure. I have the .env.example right here, which gonna just popping up each and every single data layer. First command, which I'm gonna make it that npm install, just to install the entire setup for me. Right now, as you can see, we have the middleware setup just to make the protected routes and everything. So you know how those things is working. So this is the app, and if you open the app, you can see the page which is handling all the required data for our application and for our website. And also there is one more parameter gonna happen, which is gonna be really cool. As you can see, next.config.js file, we are also providing those API keys, so you can have it entirely, right? And then also those setup for the format and other parameter which is handled correctly. And then we're gonna also having the authentication. We're gonna having the login mechanism. We have the register mechanism by which we are handling all of our auth, and then those pages, dashboard pages, where allows transactions with watch list, and having the analytics and all other. And there is the API where we are getting that market data, and as you can see, all the capping data is coming as from the market. And on the global route, you can see, you can find all the parameter by which we are injecting the global parameter. Also in the portfolio, portfolio, you can see the portfolio value of our route. Then we are also happen to be providing the transactions, and now there I provided some more feed data. You can connect, already the API is connected, because just to find that action, because I need to provide you the API for testing, and whenever you're gonna test, it's gonna hit my server, which is unnecessarily gonna make it heavy. So I use some dummy data. So if you're having the real data, you can just connect the data and it will automatically work, because all things and all setup is done like predefined, and you can just use it as simple as possible. By the way, you can really make it matter. So right now, after beside that API, we have all other routes right here. We have that our global CSS, because we use Tailwind CSS, which with the version of the latest. And then also we're gonna having, I think the Tailwind is not version 4, it's 3 point something, but it's also having the mechanism and others, because you can also interchange, you can change your theme and others in a very proper and easy way and good fashion. Then one of the things which I want to show you, we have the configuration of the auth, where all the configure route is just getting of the configuration. So this is where you can just let it work. You can make it a very beautifully extended and provided all the solution. Even whenever I'm just cloning that, there will be a minor error. So what you need to do, you need to go through that entire env setup. So you need to follow through all the guidelines by which you can grab the entire data. I will not run that because I know it will work, because I already tested that one. So I will not make it heavy just without any reason. So what I want you to do is that you clone it. After cloning, try to run it. If you are facing any problem, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna coming up with the solutions, or if it's not helping you out, if you want to deploy entire code for the production, feel free to go here and grab whatever the project you are looking forward to, especially for the project for that cryptocurrency, or for, and you can have it for the crypto platform. This is the one which I'm talking about. You can grab it, and regarding any kind of query, what kind of matters and how the data are overflowing here, also you can read about that article on that post here, which just be passing right here. You can find entire segment, entire scenario explained pretty much in a good way, very much in a predefined way, and you can have it all. So my friends, you can just go through it. So this is my humble request to every one of you. Try this crypto platform, clone the repo, try to follow all the documentation and cover up each and everything, and give it a try. If you succeed on that, you can do so many things with it. You can integrate the AI. We will do a lot of things, because I cannot start this project because I am having a pending, because I need to do the baby shop project. I need to have also another project is running, which is the shop tech. So I need to finish those projects, and then I can work around with that. So I provide you the code. You can have it. You can try it. If you can do it, you are welcome. If you cannot do it, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll jump onto it. So my dear brothers and sisters, you should try, you should give it a try, and if you fail, I'm there for the default fallback, right? So clone the repo, all the links, it will be available in the description, and I'm gonna see you in the next build with a very, very creative one, because we're gonna finish the shop tech very soon, and then we're gonna come up with the baby shop website, which is gonna having the front end, back end, admin, mobile app, everything we're gonna capture. So one single platform, you're gonna learn each and every single segment, whatever needed for the React. It's gonna be coming ASAP, and I'm gonna see you in next video.